Living our busy day-to-day lives, it's often difficult and tedious to design a stylish outfit every morning. Multiple studies have shown the majority of people spend around 15 minutes to choose their outfit every day. And this is where our product, Pocket Wardrobe, comes in. Now, the setup is simple. We just have to go to this website, click on Get Started, and here we can begin to upload images of our clothing to our virtual wardrobe. For example, let's try uploading an image of this t-shirt. We're going to click on Submit, and you can see upon upload, the website automatically detects the color as well as assigns it an integer which is unique to the clothing type. For example, all shirts will get the integer 3 and all pants will get the integer 1. Now, to begin to generate our outfit, we can first go to Generator, and here we also need to input what color we want to wear for the day. For example, here we have the color black, but let's say I want to wear red. We can try inputting red, and then when we reload the page, we get a new outfit which revolves around that new color input.
So now we're done with the demo. Let's move to the backend, the behind the scenes. So firstly, when we're given an image, we process it in two ways. Firstly, article categorization, which is essentially where we've used TensorFlow to build a machine learning model to classify clothing. So essentially an image like this would be given, we would shrink it into a 28 by 28 pixel map, and then we grayscale it. Essentially we do this because this is what the machine model has been trained on. We also find the dominant color, and we use OpenCV to separate the image based on the foreground and the background, and then we use a Python library called ColorThief to find the dominant color in the foreground. Essentially these two properties, the type of clothing and the color, is put into the database, and this forms the backbone of our program. And of course, the backend is all coded with Django, and this allows us to integrate with the Python scripts and also with the server side.
So now on the front end, we're ready to take a close look at and see the three main pages. How we managed to finish coding. This is all coded using HTML and CSS and use Django to implement with the backend. As you know, user inputs a color, and using what we like to call a color paletizer, a web is able to generate several different colors that match well with this given color, whether it's complementary or triadic or monochrome. Once our web app has determined the RGB's values, it sifts through the database to find the perfect combination of clothing that matches with some of these colors, which it then provides to the user. Given the limited time of this hackathon, there's so much we weren't able to accomplish, but there's also so much we would love to finish in future iterations. Firstly, we hope to have a more accurate detection of the types of clothing, and also a broader capability of detection, so we'll be able to detect more categories of clothing. And this can be accomplished by using higher resolution imaging. Moreover, given the name Pocket Wardrobe, we actually ought to make it a pocket wardrobe, so mobile app is definitely one of our main goals. Lastly, there's also the potential for users to favorite outfits that they like, so we may have the possibility to introduce AI algorithms that draw relationships from this to produce more catered outfits in the future.
Business plans. How do we plan to extend our market and generate revenue? With our app, we can use personalized ads to promote sponsors to our audiences. For example, we can promote Aritzia if they have something trending to our audiences. Additionally, we can offer premium subscriptions with features like shopping suggestions based on what your wardrobe is missing or what you favorited in the past based on AI algorithms.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you for listening.